Hey guys, Jeremy here, and I just got this 8-pack of LEXIVON Impact Ready lug nut sockets. Now, these were sent to me at no charge for this review. Really nice set here. And what you're going to get is your metric. There's a 17, 19, 21, 22 for your metrics. And then you're going to have 3/4, 13 sixteenths, and 7/8 and 15 sixteenths for your standard. And then every one of these are going to have to use this extension. And the reason being is because it's a double socket. So your connector is going to be right in the center, and your impact driver is not going to reach that. So every one of these is going to have to use the extension and then pop right onto your 1/2-inch impact driver, and then you're going to be good to go. So this is these are a 22. There you go, just like that. LEXIVON is putting out some incredible product, and these impact ready lug nut sockets are no different than the rest of their stuff. Definitely would recommend these. Every DIY mechanic needs a set like this.